Welcome to Live In and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. As it is 12/12 portal and new moon today, our first card is going to be from Moonology Oracle deck, and the second card is going to be from Starseed Oracle deck. Our first message today is Prosperity Lies Ahead. This card will often come up when you are inquiring about a financial matter or when you are doubting your self-worth. This card suggests you can have what you want, including material things, but you must believe in yourself. This comes down to the law of attraction. Value yourself and others will value you too. You can create abundance. This card holds the new moon energy. So now is a good time to make a 12-month financial plan. This card can also signal the start of a new relationship. If you've been wrestling with something for a long time, then this is a sign not to give up just yet. And the attunement is get or give a massage, healthy body, healthy mind. You will soon be able to afford the thing you are dreaming of. Getting clear on what you value most will help you find peace. Take some time out to pamper yourself. Start a standing order to a savings account, no matter how small. We often feel that it's somehow wrong to focus on our finances. But the truth is that money can make life far more comfortable from a physical point of view. This new moon is the time to work your magic to create the money you want so you can have the creature comforts you want. Remember, though, that someone else is still wishing for what you already have. So be grateful for what you have. Value yourself, pamper yourself, know your self-worth, and know that prosperity lies ahead for you. Let's see the second card. Forge, don't follow. Pave a new path. Be the leader you wish you had. If you wait until the path is perfectly paved, you won't be forging your own path, and you will likely not even take the first step. Don't let a small detail like being unable to find someone to show you the way be the reason you don't step forward and lead. Let it be the reason that you do. The most courageous and needed leaders are the ones who don't wait for permission or until the morning they wake up feeling ready. They take a deep breath, put one foot in front of the other, and figure it out as they go. They don't wait for someone to lead them, they lead themselves. This is a card for leaders. You're here to pave a path that hasn't been walked before. To go first and lead the way for others who are calling you in. If you feel misrepresented in the media, step forward for all those who also feel misrepresented. If no one is speaking out on the topics you feel passionate about, share your unique voice. There's no one on earth who comes close to possessing your unique combination of skills, gifts, and life experience. Don't look to those who have come here before you to work out your path. Leaders must forge their own. Do it for your daughter. Do it for the younger you. Do it for the leaders who will follow. When you go first, you make it easier for others to follow your lead. Forge, don't follow. This is a Starseed Soul Inquiry card. So the inquiry is, how are you being called to forge rather than follow? How can you be the leader you wish you had? Wow, this is so powerful. Especially now the earth is in ascension and there are a few of us who are talking about it. The earth itself is moving to a new vibration. And that is why it is so important for each of us to raise the vibration and shine our light within, express our authentic self, express the truth. And many times these are all uncharted waters. Everyone's experience is different, and you will need to navigate on your own. You might not have leaders. You will need to be the leader. This is the message exactly to forge your own path. So, the messages for today are: know your self worth, value yourself, forge your path, be a leader, and there is prosperity lying ahead for you. Those are the messages for today. Lots of love.